Gonna have to see ID. Hands out your pockets for officer safety. So where you coming from? And what does it make you think that you have freedom?
Well, hello everybody. News Now California doing a First Amendment audit at the Palm Springs Police Department and Palm Springs Canine Training Center. Today's the day before New Year's, and it is a really, really nice day today. Boy, the weather's great. Let me just show up here the Police Training Center parking area. It is actually, it is open. There is no secure gate to go in here. Okay, so as you can see, it's open, but it is restricted to the county employees of the Palm Springs Police Department. So I'm out here doing the First Amendment audit. I'm going to see if they respect my right to film in public. You see, those are the San Jacinto Mountains in the background. You see them up there? That's very nice. At the top you can take the Palm Springs tram ride that will go to the top of that mountain. And you can spend the day and hike. And the temperature change can be about, a 30 to 40 degree change. Okay, so here's their building for the training center. It's a nice looking building. Very nice architecture. Alrighty, so the training center is a separate building, and the police department is maybe about 300 feet down here. So you got a little more professional office park here. The address is, I believe, 200 Civic Drive in Palm Springs. 200 Civic Drive, and it is quiet. It is very quiet here. All right, there you go. Flags flying full mast. So this is a very, very nice building, boy. So here's the front entrance, and as you can see right over here, they have a memorial, which is very different. It's the Palm Springs Police Officers Association Memorial Plaza. And if you look at what this is, it's a sculpture of two police officers. One looks like he's got his hand on the other officer's heart. His gun is down on the ground, and this one's on the radio calling. So this is a memorial to the fallen officers. These are all from 2016 right here. Okay, so this memorial, Help is on the Way, dedicated on May 16, 1998. To those law enforcement officers that made the ultimate sacrifice. Okay, and then they've got some people that were killed in the line of duty in 1962. 1961. And I guess it goes all the way around. Nope, it doesn't. It just goes, it's blank on this wall. Let's see if it goes around here, and blank on this side. So those are the only ones listed there. And it looks like I'll get you a better shot here from the side of it. It looks like somebody put some flowers here. So also around the perimeter of this are bricks, and they have these are people, I believe, that have donated to build this, and also in memory of. So let me get down here and see if that you can see that better. There are the bricks. Sorry about that. So you can see how they have some names in here. Okay. So this goes around the whole perimeter of people. Here's one from the 1930s General Store Museum. Huh, very different. Alright, so here's some plaques for advertising. Gregory Peterson, attorney at law. No, legal counsel. So these are probably people that have donated. And here we have Mr. and Mrs. Bob Hope. So Bob Hope and his wife contributed to this station. They have a plaque in their name. We have one here from the Agua Caliente Band of Cahuilla Indians. So there's another one. And then, of course, the people with the money of the Bank of America. One thing I wanted to mention out here is that much of the land out here is owned by Indian tribes, and if you buy a property, condominiums out here, many, when you buy them, you not only have to pay your homeowners association dues, but you also have a land lease, because you do not own the land. You lease the land from the tribe, which can really add up. I have a friend who has a place down here, and his HOAs are $300 a month for the maintenance and upkeep of the development, but his land lease to the Indians is $450. So when you add the two together, you're into it for $750 before you're even paying the nut on your mortgage. So it can get expensive, people. It can. So my advice is, if you buy anything, own the land. Don't get into a lease unless you have money to burn and you don't care. But I'm not that type of person. Okay, so this building here is the main entrance is right here, and then the jail. Here is the jail. Let me come down here. So the jail is closed. Wonder why it's closed. That's interesting. Jail is closed, and they ask for, let's see if you can see that. I don't know if you can see the sign. Correct change only. Interesting. Okay. So let's see what this deal is. this side. Any person who knowingly has in his or her possession in any state prison, prison road camp, prison forestry camp, or other prison camp or prison farm, or any place where prisoners of the state are located under the custody of prison officials, officers, employees, or in the county, city, and county or city jail road camp, farm, or any place of institution, or where prisoners or inmates are being held under the custody of the sheriff, chief of police, peace officer, probation officer, employees, or within the grounds belonging to any jail, road camp, farm, place of institution, any controlled substances, possession of which is prohibited by Division 1.0, commencing Section 11,000 of Health and Safety Code. Okay, well, I'm not even going to finish reading it because I got a headache. Jeez, is that lengthy. Basically what they're telling you, you're going to get in trouble if you come in with any type of controlled substance. So that's good. I don't have anything on me. And the jail's closed, so I don't have to worry. Okay. Alrighty, so enough of that malarkey. Okay, here, they're probably watching me. I didn't even see that. Peekaboo. Alright, that's different. Well, that's not different, it's normal. Alright, so I'm going to even see if they're open. Let's see now. Let's see. Oh, I think they must be open. Okay, so the building was completed in 1985. And then here's the press button for assistance. And these are, oh wow, so October 8th last year, two police officers, female and a male, were killed. I don't think I am aware of that from the news. Okay. So they are closed.
How you doing?
Good.
Help you?
Not really. I'm just doing a news story on what public officials do on public time, and I was just reading this. I didn't even hear about that. What was that story? That's terrible.
The biggest story in the valley.
Yeah, I'm not.
Happened in October 2016.
16.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
No, I don't have ID.
Why don't you have ID on you?
Well, do I need ID when I'm
You're
walking?
required in the state of California to have ID on you, yes.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I'm in a public area.
Take a seat for me, sir.